does the four ways to win tell you? At the end of the day, I don't care if it's undeveloped rural land. I don't care if it's an amusement park, a storage unit, an income property, a multifamily, a property in the US, a property in Canada. Doesn't matter. What does the four ways to win tell you? What is my total return on investment? That is where I start every single time, because if the four ways to win doesn't get me a return of 20% or more, then my answer is going to be no. I can tell you, by undeveloped rural land, is it a good investment? Well, it depends on your investor profile, like Steven said. If you want cash flow, no, because you're not going to get cash flow. If you are a Saudi prince and you want to park a couple $1 million and you just want a land bank and it's going to be worth something in 40 years, fantastic. And, kind of, I realize as I'm saying that it might sound like I'm making fun of it as an investment, but it's not. Like I own, I have a development fund, and some of the properties that I have in my business are undeveloped rural land, but I'm okay to wait 20 years with no cash flow. That's my strategy, because I want the big upside in 20 years, right? So it's not as simple. Like Steven said, there's no one simple answer, but it starts with Jenna Wise knowing, what is it you want out of this business? Generally, people, Steven, we found, want a nice balance between cash flow and wealth increase. Underdeveloped land is not going to do that for you. You're going to look for a single family home that you can turn into a 2 or 3 unit home. Are my favorite ways